All right. Let's get cozy. Cheers, you guys. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is December 20th. Yes. 5 days till Christmas. How's your shopping going? Man, got a little something for myself today. I'm a simple man. 6.5 horsepower. Shop vac. Boom. Got the Rigid brand. Yeah, that thing will suck the concrete off the floor. It's crazy. It's insane. You gotta have a life away from the charts sometimes, and sometimes it did a little vacuuming. I told the wife, I said, you know what? I'm gonna vacuum the house today. She was so proud, man. She was so proud. Oh, that's good. Good water. All right. Man, can you hear this chair? Squeaky enough for you? Dude, it just squeaks like crazy. This is a very expensive Lazy Boy chair. Very expensive, right? Anyway, yeah, it's garbage. Everything is garbage. It's all from China. Whoa, baby. Oh, man. How's that Bitcoin doing? Let's get into the real goods here. Bitcoin is giving me an what's happening right now? And it could get some buying pressure and start pumping and it'll be fine. However, this candle right here gave me a close red below the Bollinger Band, inside the Bollinger Band. I don't know if you can see that. If I blow it up real big, it's real close. It's like right there, but that's a big red flag for me. Now, I want to see a touch. See this big move up here? The last time we touched the 9 was on 16th of December. I want to see a move back down to the 9 on the daily, which could be around 222 if it happened today. Or maybe 225. Let's look on the hourly and see if anything lines up. Yes, it does. Let's bring in my chart here. Okay, we've got a wedge here. An ascending wedge to the upside. If it breaks down, we'll meet this 200-day EMA. Nice little spot for it. It's at 22,000. It could maybe meet a little higher up, maybe at 22.3. I don't know. I just got this here. This is the hourly chart. We'll go back to the daily and see what we can see. Now, a lot of things in the past on this run up have been breaking to the upside. So like if you went over here, we did get a back test of the 9, which was great. However, we were, how do we say this? Do you see how this like kind of worked its way up like that? I don't know if this is a parallel trend channel or whatever, but we did break out to the upside. But we had a bunch of touches along the 9. So I don't know. It could go either way right here. It's so bullish that it's stupid, really. I would love to see a back test of the 9 because I think we're blown out. Like when you get blown out like this, it's like, oh man, we need to at least come back down here and touch the 9 and then, maybe regroup and then run higher. There's plenty of time on the weekly chart before we get a new weekly candle to 6 days, 19 hours. And then on the monthly, we got 10 days. So we got 10 days to finish this out up high, and that's totally fine. But I'd love to see a little pull back to reality, just a little bit more reality than what we have here. It'd be about halfway down. I want to see a pullback about halfway down before we take off again. So that's Bitcoin. That's what I'm saying. I'm actually holding cash right now until I see it break either way. If it breaks down, I'll buy the dip. If it breaks out above that, let's go back to the 1 hour and bring in my chart a little bit, just so you can see my thought process. If it breaks out above this line, I'll be getting in. Yahoo. Yeah, go for it, Bitcoin. Run. I don't care. It's I don't mind buying higher. It's not a big deal. I won't wait until it's up here and buy. I'll buy as soon as it breaks out, but yeah, it's It's pretty dicey right now. I think it needs a pullback. Those are my thoughts right there. I can get rid of this here. I don't need that anymore. Yeah, we had a nice little run up, 12.5%. I'm not sure what this one was, but this was a easy peasy, just a simple little 3% move, something like that, just from here to here. And I thought, oh, let's play it. And then I thought, it's getting a little tight. I don't want to mess around. I don't want to mess with it. Sometimes you like, do I want to trade and like watch this thing like a hawk on the hour chart, tick by, tick by, tick by, and not have any sleep, or do you want sleep? Yeah, man, I'm at that point where I'm like, I like to sleep. Okay. All right, ETH, USD. We're just like, what is it? Sunday night? Something? Yeah, Sunday night. We're just goofing around. ETH, USD. Let's get to the daily. What do we have here? ETH looking real good. ETH looking good on the USD chart. However, the ETH BTC chart I was looking at earlier, and it's hopefully going to bottom out here soon. Let's see. Yeah, ETH. I'd love to see it just do it. See, it's ETH is actually giving the pullback to the 9. So, wow, that thing is doing what I'd like to see Bitcoin do. But maybe Bitcoin doesn't want to play around. If Bitcoin pulled back to the 9, I think ETH would pull back to the 20. And real quick, this is ETH USD, and things are still looking bullish, like it. Yeah, this is a stay-in-it situation. However, if you go down to ETH BTC, it's in my target buy zone. I'll tell you what I mean. ETH BTC had a nice little breakdown of a descending triangle, which gave me a target down here at the 893. And if we zoom in real good and get rid of that target buy area, because everyone knows that, look at that. We're right smack in the buy zone. All right. Now, we could get a turnaround here, right? Which would be awesome. Maybe a double bottom. Maybe we're witnessing the tweezer bottom happen right here. That's possible. But it could still go lower, possibly. It could possibly still lower and rip hearts out. So I'm going to wait for this thing to give me a nice little buy signal. I don't have anything yet. Still looks weak. But again, this is the daily, so it is a little slower moving. Let's hold off on it. Hold off on that ETH trade. I'm so pumped about this ETH trade, though. I know that ETH is going to rock and roll. If we go into a clean ETH BTC chart, I'm going to show you some potential that I see here. Maybe if there's like a trend line right here, if it can hold, right? Let's see. Let's see if we got something there. Why am I excited about this? If this thing can hold, oh, look at that. Are you serious? It's right there. Oh, I had no idea. Okay. Listen, if it goes and takes off from here, it could really take off, right? Look at left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and I've got a target for that right up here. Man, are you kidding me? So from 0.2 to 0.6, yeah, triple 3x. It's going to move 3 times faster than Bitcoin if it gets up here. Yeah, I'm thinking old Ethereum might be the big dog play right here. Those are my thoughts. So that's ETH BTC. Getting back into ETH. If ETH took off, looks strong. Let's go to the weekly. Kind of make sense of these charts. If ETH takes off, oh man, what if it goes to a 1618? Just throwing it out there. In case you guys think it's crazy, maybe we go to here and go to a 1618. Oh boy. Yeah, I could do that. Let's put it right here. We'll put it in a red. This would be your sell area right here. And now you think, oh, there's no way it's going to get up there. Well, let's go back to Bitcoin, right? Well, Bitcoin could still give you a target. Let's get that up here. Okay. All right, here we go. So the Bitcoin target from the first pullback to the final run, or to this pullback to the final run up, gave you a 1618 at 30,000, which is our target. We're going there right now. I have my moon boots on. Okay, so can ETH do that? Let's go back to ETH. Oh yeah, baby, it sure can. It could go zoom right up there. And that is, by the way, $2,210. And we're at 642. So 2,200 or 642. I don't know. We got $1,800 gain per coin. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here's another thing I was asking my buddy. I go, hey man, how many coins are built on the Bitcoin network? And I know it's the argument of it's a store value, but ETH has like 2,000 coins on the Ethereum network. So there's a bit of demand, like a ton of demand. So, I don't know, man. I think it could go places. I'm pretty excited. Anyway, back to the daily. That's what we care about anyway. I do think it'd be nice to get a pullback. Oh, let me pull in my rest of my indicators. I believe it's the 20-day moving average on the daily that I'd like to see it pull back to before kind of like really taking off. It just seems like I don't care if you got in a triangle, it breaks to the upside. If you have ascending wedge, it breaks to the upside. Like, it doesn't matter what you have, it seems to always break to the upside now. But yeah, I'd love to see it trade down lower to the 20-day. And that might be the final for ETH BTC. And then we can really start rocking and rolling here. That'd be excellent. Okay, so ETH 20-day is that dotted line? Maybe. XRP 56 cents right now. It's 56 cents, and I don't know if it's a buy or not. It is like right in the middle. Let me zoom out here a little bit. This is a buy. This is a buy. This looks good. We're above the 9-day moving average. That's the white line right here. I like that. We are below the Kumo cloud, which that could be a little bit of resistance right there. And we could roll over, and it's like right there. It's like 50-50. It wouldn't surprise me if, everything's been so bullish. If XRP took off, it wouldn't surprise me. But I've said in the group, we got our own little Telegram group. It's had that for a couple of years now. It's pretty awesome. Said in the group, I think it's going probably to 30 or below. I think I said 33. So I thought we'd get a pull back to 33 and then kind of consolidate in that area. Maybe as low as like 24 to 33, somewhere in that area. And then bam, take off. We could make another go at it. But yeah, this bounce came off of the 50-day moving average with total pride. Like, look at that thing go. And look at that bull volume come in. Oh boy. Okay, XRP. A little overhead resistance here. And we got some Kumo cloud resistance. It'll be all right. We'll see. Wait for the break. And then ride that thing into the sunset. Okay, Bitcoin Cash. I mean, come on. What happened here? Is anybody buying Bitcoin Cash? They know it's not the real Bitcoin, right? I don't know. I don't care, man. I don't care if it's a real Bitcoin or not, man. I just buy it and make money on it. It's fine. got a nice little sell up here, but we failed to buy down here. We just gave up on trading that. I think we're riding Bitcoin, which actually was outperforming, so it's fine. It's totally fine. Bitcoin looking good, looking real good. Dash is looking fabulous. Holy smokes. Your entry should have been the back test of this 20-day moving average between the 4-day and the 9, which would have been excellent. Litecoin, LTC, USD. I'm hoping for a little pull back to the 9 right here. I think a little consolidation would do good. See this histogram right here? Red. This is your canary in the coal mine. I should make it yellow, canary yellow. And so when it goes off, you can start saying, hey, something happening here, right? So like over here, it was saying, not good. It was the same as over here. Screaming, not good, not good, not good. And then it really went bad. So it was screaming the whole time right here that this is a bad situation. And then it started looking better right there. So this one is the same as this one. So, yeah, it's pretty good. It's a fast moving indicator, at least for my setup on the MACD custom settings. And, yeah, it rips, man. It's really smart. It's a warning. Canary in the coal mine. Something's going to happen. Okay. Litecoin. You know, looking at this, it's like the one that got away. But you can't get in all the coins, can you? I mean, you can if you do a 2020 trade, but like, just be happy with the gains you have, even if you get a couple percent. Like, just be stoked about it. 2020 trade though is getting 20% consistently every single time. Yeah, I have a trade, 2020 trade set up. I'm gonna probably do a video on it or something. I don't know. What are the stats? It's like we put in 58 trades recently, right? That I've been tracking because I've been doing way more than that. 58 trades have gained 20%, and there are 6 of those 58. I don't have it in front of me. It's something ridiculous, man. Figure it's at like 90% right now. And it will go to 100. It'll go 100 for 100 trades. So all positive, all 20% trades. It's sick. It's a sick trading system. Anyway, yeah, I'll do a video on that later. Litecoin. I want to see a rollover here. It'd be real nice. This volume indicator is tapering off. Now it could shoot right up and then keep running up, which would be great. But I'd like to see a little pullback here and then go higher. So that's just me. Maker. Yeah, Maker. Ooh, yeah, baby. Maker's a buy for sure. This is a good buy zone right here. Look at that. I even pre-marked out a 20%. This is your entry right here. You can grab a quick 20%. Easy peasy. If it doesn't happen here, this is not financial advice. Oh, gosh. Why do you got to say that? Why do we have to live in a world where I have to say that? You guys know how to trade. Come on now. I know you do. And even if you're just learning, it's fine. It's totally fine. Everyone starts somewhere. There's no like big chip on our shoulder professional traders here, man. We're just having a good time. And we're doing great at it. You know, the hardest part about trading is to be not trading on a long bear market. That's the hard part. You'll get it. You'll figure it out. Maker USD. Looking good. Like it. EOS. Yeah, EOS is a buy. I mean, look at this thing. It's beautiful. This is really good. Your real entry was probably on a pullback to the 4-day moving average between the 4-day and the 9. Let's pull this in. Yeah, it was right there. Boom. That's your 4-day. And you can erode that baby up. And it's still got lots of massive potential here to go higher. Stellar Lumens is a Ooh, I would stay out of this for right now. Just wait. Wait for this. Wait for this. Hold on a second. Hold on. Yeah, this is dicey. The funny thing is tomorrow Stellar could come in and rip, right? But I would stay out of it. Just wait. Just wait. Look at that volume dipping down right here. This is no good. I don't like that sign. This is okay. I don't mind pullbacks, but we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Atom, ATOM USD is still a sell. Yeah. Tezos USD is still consolidating after the nice liftoff, and this would be a good entry right here if it can hold. Right now that we're below the Kumo cloud, I'm like, come on, man. Maybe it wants to come down a little lower before actually getting over that Kumo cloud. So it's dicey. It's hit or miss. Will you get 20% out of this? Yeah, eventually you probably will. 20% is pretty easy to get. Boom. Something like that. But instead of waiting for it to come up here, what if we waited for actual confirmation? What if it was lower? What if we got a buy in there and got 20% here instead? I mean, that would be way better. I would rather be a little more patient and maybe catch something lower. It's possible, man. It's possible. Okay, so let's hold off. If you're not in it, then just wait. Just wait. Okay, Ethereum Classic. Oof, bullish. Love it. OMG. Nope. Stay out of it. ZEC USD. The Zcash chart is looking awesome. I don't have much data here for oscillators, but just look at this chart. It tells you everything. It's looking good. Okay, Link USD. Link. Oh, baby. Doing a little pullback here. Oh, boy. It's just not giving good vibes right now. This low volume, this harsh pullback right here. Maybe that's exactly what it needed. It was a nice little back test of the 50-day moving average before running up. So let's just hold off on Link real quick. Let's Link USD. Let's look at Link BTC. How is that doing? Oh, Link. There it is. Not good. Okay. You'd be better off trading Bitcoin. Okay. It's just going down. So, hold off. Not yet. OXT. Oh, baby. What is this? Okay. This makes me nervous. Okay. Look how far away you are from the 4-day moving average and the 9. This is overbought. So you might get a buy signal maybe tomorrow or even the next day. But let's let this thing come back to us, and then let's get it on a normal price. I hate for you to buy high. Rep. Rep is okay, right? It's back into that 4-day moving average. I want to see it pull back to the 9, though. Just come back a little bit more, and then enter that. 0x USD. Stay out of it. KNC. Nope. Algo. Yeah, it's looking good. I like this. Your entry for Algo was probably right here between the 4 and the 9. And you're probably doing okay if you did. Let's see. Let's just say we got it on the 4. Let's not make it hard on ourselves. Ooh, dude, you almost got 20%. Almost got it on that wick. So, I mean, you're close. This is an easy one. This is easy. Okay. We skip DAI. We don't trade that. Comp. No. Stay out of it. Band. Nope. Numeraire. USD. Nope. CGLD. Nope. UMA. Nope. I'd stay out of that. LRC. Nope. Yiffy. Nope. Nope. Not yet. Bad pullback today. Oof. Uni. Okay, Uni. I love this coin. It's so awesome. Probably would have bought it on the 4-day moving average. It would have been right here on this one. So you're looking for a nice little pump. What was that? 4-day movement. Was that here? No, here. A little higher. Okay. There it is. Oh, you almost got 20 already. So just hold on to it. It'll give you that 20 you need. And otherwise, if you're just trading it for fun, hang on. It's still looking good, in my opinion. Opinions only here. Okay. This is a funny one, Ren, because we have what appeared to me to be like a Head and Shoulders, right? A weird one. But I threw a target out here anyway. Like, this could be a Head and Shoulders target. And I also have a 50 EMA target right here. And then this was just what was 786 pullback from here. So it fulfilled that, and these were the three areas that it could have hit. It hit that, but it's starting to roll over, and it's not a buy, so I'd stay out of it. Wrapped BTC. Oh baby, it looks like Bitcoin. It is Bitcoin. So, you know what? You gotta wait for the break. You gotta wait and see. Balancer BAL is pulling back pretty hard here. I would stay out of that. We got some death crosses happening here. Not good. Little new coin. Close above the 9 generally looks pretty good. Now we're battling for the 20-day moving average. I like that. Let's see where that closes tomorrow. But right now it's not. What do we have here? No. Filecoin. Toxic. How did Filecoin get to $28? Can someone tell me that? What is that? We don't need Filecoin. No one needs Filecoin. Ah, boy. Just my opinion. Not financial advice. AAVE. Okay, no. Don't touch that. GRT just came in. I just spotted this bad boy. This is our new one we get to trade. Not enough data. Don't trade it. Not yet. Don't. Just wait till you got some of the market on your side. You know, get some numbers under your belt first. It's like if you just you know what GRT is. You want to come in and trade this. You're a white belt and you just walk into any old dojo and say, "Hey, I could beat anyone in this room." You know, like that's what that looks like. Like, don't trade this. You don't know what you're doing yet. Like, we don't know what this market looks like. I mean, we're daily traders, so yes, obviously you could go into a 15-minute chart or lower, and there's all kinds of data, and you could trade that, but ain't nobody got time for that. All right, BNT. Oh boy, don't touch it. Oh, hot water burn, baby. SNX is kind of making its way to the upside here. It looks good, but again, not enough data. Stay out of those dojos. All right, back to Bitcoin. We'll see what happens here, man. I think we got targets to 22.2, right? On the daily chart, I'm like, where's my back test? Where's my back test of the 9? I'd love to see that. But if it starts to break to the upside, ain't no shame in getting in it. This thing is so stinking bullish. So I know that's not real specific as far as, hey, what should I do? But I know when the time will come, you guys will know what to do. You'll make your own decision and it'll be just fine. You'll be fine. If you ever feel like I can't sleep at night, you're over leveraged. This simple as that. You got too much in the market. And if that's the case, if you want to be over leveraged, then make sure you're there to watch the market and you can pull your money if it goes sideways on you. Okay, that's it. Real quick, I got to go into this because Dunkin' Donuts on my traditional markets disappeared on me. I usually look at the trade of, let's see, Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks. Where's Starbucks? Dude, come on. There it is. All right. Starbucks is jamming. And so I start looking at Dunkin' Donuts. Let's pull. Hey, Google, can I get dark mode? Jeez. Blinding me here. So I'm like, let's get some news on Dunkin' Donuts on Google and see, like, what's the skinny? How come they got delisted? And it's just the most horrific news you've ever seen. Chesapeake Center thanks Dunkin' Donuts as a business. Wonderful. But look at these masked idiots. How about child injured by hot coffee in Arden Heights Dunkin' Donuts, suit alleges. Okay. This lady probably got mugged and lost $1,600, so a stranger raised that money for her. Transgender man files discrimination lawsuit against Dunkin'. Dude, this is like the most terrible news ever for a company. Like, it's just one thing after another. So now Dunkin' Donuts and Salvation are joining forces for a sweet partnership. Yeah, like you want. I don't know. That seems weird right now, and especially in this political climate. Employee stabbed in a dispute over Dunkin' Donuts order. A man is sought. What? This location's closed due to COVID. What? What's wrong with you people? Another attorney speaks for victim in Union City Dunkin' Donuts stabbing. Oh God. Man, they're just stabbing people all over these Dunkins. Dunkin' Donuts' new sugar plum macchiato is a mysterious drink. What does that mean? What does that even mean? It's a mysterious, like, it just goes on and on. It's so bad. Oh, I gotta get away from this, man. Hey, man, I gotta get away from this. Anyway. So, that's that. It's kind of fun. Anyway, that's Coinbase for today, the USD charts. I hope you guys had a great day. A good Sunday. Monday's tomorrow, right around the corner. Boo. But a lot of you are on vacation, Christmas vacation. And maybe we'll spend more time looking at charts together. That'd be fun. That'd be real fun. All right, guys, have a great night. I will talk to you soon. I'm out of here. See ya.